Australian time zone. I'm trying to sleep in. It's 5:15, but look. How can I sleep in when it's so light outside already? I'm thinking that, yeah, it was a bit chilly last night. I'm thinking I'm gonna make a coffee in my thermos, pack up as quick as I can and try and get out of here so I don't get into trouble. I would happily pay if I could, but I think the fact that I don't have any cash on me and everything, like, I don't know how that's gonna go down, so I'm just gonna try and get out of here. Driving into more rain, but at least it might wash the dust off Kippy. So it is 6 o'clock on the road. I feel like half the day is already gone, it's that light. Nothing's gonna be open. I've got 99 k's to Albany. So I don't know, amateur mistake I made before leaving. I didn't check my gas canister supply, so this morning that ran out. So I'm uncaffeinated right now. I have to drive an hour. So yeah, I need to fill up, so I'm just going to pull into a servo and yeah, have a bit of shop. I'm hoping that they sell the gas canisters there. I know some servos do, so hopefully they do. If they do, then I can find somewhere to park and have a coffee and some breakfast and that, and just wait for stuff to be open. Or, you know, if there's nothing really there to do, then I'll just keep travelling on. I really want to get to Denmark and have a look at that place, so yes, that is the plan so far for this morning. I don't have any entertainment to do. I caved again and got Maccas. I'd called into I checked like 3 servos for gas cans and none had any. I was starting to get hungry. I knew there's the BCF here, but they don't open not quite an hour. I'll be waiting. So yeah, I thought I'd get some Maccas, have something to eat, have a coffee, because I still haven't had any coffee. Let's recharge my internet thing here and get some editing done while I wait for BCF to open. So then once I buy those gas canisters, then I'll be on my way to Denmark. Yay! Alrighty, just went into BCF, got my gas canisters. Now I'm trying something a little different. I have my splitter plugged in here to the car, so I've got my fridge plugged in and I've also got my little inverter plugged in because my laptop was getting low, so that's actually charging now. I'm pretty sure I can only have that plugged in when the car's running from memory. This is the first time I've used that inverter since I've had it, and I've had it for a few years now, so I'm trying to remember the manual for it, but yeah, so that's cool. My fridge is on and my laptop is charging. Currently exploring Mount Clarence in Albany. I'm walking up some Anzac Memorial. I don't know. It was kind of just after a lookout, but anyway. I'm going up, so I might get a view at the top. was the gap and the natural bridge. That was pretty cool. I kind of want to get out of here quick because I think you went to pay because this is in a national park. But, you know, I'm not paying just to see that, honestly. I'm on a mission to get cheese from the cheese factory just out of Denmark. And it's about lunchtime, so I might have a cheesy lunch. I have found the cheese. So probs went a little crazy, but it's cheese. Like, who can't go crazy with cheese? And for lunch, a naughty lunch, pistachio flavored ice cream. Oh, yum! I just wanted to stop and consume some of this pistachio ice cream. These roads are too windy to try and eat and drive. This is not the best road tripping food. Now I'm heading on down to Elephant Rocks. Have a look at them. They have been recommended to me numerous times to see, so I'll go check them out. Righto. Off to see Elephant Rocks. Pretty cool. Elephant Rocks, Elephant Cove, and Greens Pond or Greens Hole, Greens Lake. I don't know. Refer back to the signs. I decided to run up all the stairs that I went down just for a little bit of a workout, a bit of a something, because I've been doing nothing but like sitting in this car driving. So I'm keen for a hike. For now, I think next stop is Walpole. But there's that treetop walk along the way, so I'll probably try and get that in today, and then I might try and find a campsite or somewhere to stay the night. But I better pull into this toffee factory thing, place. Have a look. And the sign said Denmark's biggest cone as well, as in ice cream cone. Espresso toffee. Yum. I am at the Valley of the Giants treetop walk, and look at me go. I'm actually taking the good camera because the weather looks fine for now. Not that I really know how to use it, but anyway, I'm sure I'll look professional carrying it around. Goodbye, Valley of the Giants. Well, I mean, I'm still in it, but I'm off the treetop walk now. Here's one here, so if I try and show you how big it is. Can't really tell. There are dark clouds coming, so see what else there is to see here, and then I'll hit the road again. Now on my way to see the giant tingle tree. I've been in the Valley of Giants, but now I'm going to see the giant. Probably along with 50 other people. But anyway, gotta see it while I'm here. Reception, but the caravan park was like way out of town. Well, not way out of town, but it was enough, like far enough out of town that I lost the reception, so I didn't want to stay there. So I'm on my way to Pemberton or whatever it is. Apparently they have good reception in their caravan park, so that is my goal now tonight. 15 k's away, and I get to drive through this beautiful bush forest with giant trees. Alrighty, turn left 300 meters, caravan. It's 8:15 and I'm ready for bed. I'm wrecked. It feels like I had a pretty big day today, even though I didn't really cover much ground. Feels like I seen and did a lot. So I'm at Pemberton, a caravan park in Pemberton. So yeah, I plugged into power. Got good reception. So yeah, I was able to upload a video. So yeah, I might do a bit more editing of another video tonight, like now, and then I will be ready for sleep. So yeah, that's it for tonight.